Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to enable dating on Facebook. If you have Android or iPhone, doesn't matter. Okay, you need before of all that, you need update your app. Okay, go to App Store or Play Store and make your update. When you are finished, you have your Facebook with update, and in the corner can you see three lanes. Okay, those hit, and now my first option is dating. Okay, but I use recently this dating. Okay, now Facebook suggests me the first option dating. But if you never open your dating, maybe can you not sit here dating? You need those in see more and find them in the last option. Maybe when where you see pockets for me, maybe you have here your dating. Okay, the last option. Now when you find dating, touch here and make your profile. Okay, upload your photos and make your description, answer the questions. Remember, this profile is different than your first profile, your principal or main profile in your face. Okay, it's different than your Facebook personal is different profile. You need to upload new photos or different photos or the same photos and make your description, as where it's example. Look at that. Okay, touch it and put your name, age, gender, hometown, college, and then what do you want today, what do you want to be friends with. Okay, if you want meet boys or girls or doesn't matter. Okay, example, I touch it, and how tall are you, I don't know, and if you have kids, I don't have kids. Okay, what's your education level. Okay, that's information is too easy. Can you see the bar? Okay, in the dome of my screen. Okay, is past half. It's too easy. Okay, and when you are finished, you have your dating ready for use. Okay, it's like Tinder or Bumble, or I don't know what is the most popular in USA, but it's something like that. And this is all for this video. Okay, and have a good day. If you want say me something, can you write in the comments. Sorry for my bad English, and see you later.